What is your opinion?
That the damage to the subject Lexus is inconsistent with a center of mass hit.
Dramatic testimony today in Karen Reed's murder retrial. The defense calling an accident reconstructionist to the stand. Dr. Daniel Wolf bolstered the defense's position that Reed and her attorneys have said there was no collision between her SUV and John O'Keefe back in 2022. NBC 10's John Maroney joins us live from outside Norfolk Superior Court in Dedham with the latest developments. John?
Colton, this trial has come down to a battle of the experts, and the jury will make the final call.
This is an exemplar set of taillights.
An accident reconstruction expert for the defense recreated the alleged collision between Karen Reed's SUV and John O'Keefe. He says there's no evidence he was hit, even though she's pleaded not guilty to a number of charges, including second-degree murder.
I've seen hundreds of collisions, all different types of accidents.
Daniel Wolf conducted numerous tests on the broken taillight of the defendant's vehicle. One of them involved hitting the arm of a crash dummy with the taillight. Another used a full crash dummy wearing the same clothing as John O'Keefe, with the SUV driving in reverse at 24 miles per hour, the same speed Reed was said to have been traveling when she hit her boyfriend.
Were you able to reach any opinions or conclusions as to whether the damage to the subject taillight is consistent with striking an arm at 24 miles per hour?
Based upon the test results, it's inconsistent with striking an arm.
The state's expert, Judson Welcher, testified O'Keefe's injuries are consistent with getting hit by the SUV. The defense expert says he reviewed Welcher's testing, including his accident reenactment using blue grease paint. He said he found it to be incomplete.
Did Dr. Welcher conduct any testing to determine the forces necessary to cause the damage to the taillight of Ms. Reed's vehicle?
Not that I'm aware of.
Good afternoon, Dr. Wolf.
Good afternoon.
Special prosecutor Hank Brennan attacked Wolf and his findings while accusing him and his firm ARCA of an improper relationship with the defense, something that almost led to sanctions against Reed's lawyers.
You were communicating with the defense and attempting the best you could to assist their cause, weren't you?
I wouldn't characterize it that way.
No impact, no collision.
What did you think about Brennan trying to discredit him?
I don't even know where to begin.
Now the accident reconstructionist for the defense will be back on the stand Monday when testimony resumes. Well, in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.